Hey, what is up everybody? I'm in the middle of road and I'm vlogging all of a sudden. Well, this is my last day in Sheboygan where I stay, and I'll be leaving to India soon, and well, in 45 minutes I'll say, because I'll be going to Chicago now and then back to India. Well, just I know I'm vlogging in middle of something that is like crazy. Well, it's been a whole lot of time, and what should I say? This place is so beautiful, and I am so much attached with this place. Well, but yeah, time comes, we have to leave. I'm getting kind of emotional with this place. Well, of course, yes, I've been working all along here. Well, yeah. Well, this video is not only about me talking about leaving this United States. There is nice hyperlapse coming after this video, because I don't want to bore you guys. Well, yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted to say, that I'm leaving this beautiful place and coming back to another beautiful place, that is my home, back to India. And great content will be coming up soon as I come back to India after this quarantine and all stuff. Well, yeah, you guys don't have to worry about it. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the coming video. Alright, peace.